Hello guys, ang ganap today's video ay nag-prepare kami ng simple hotpot dito sa bahay. Samahan niyo kami guys and stay put lang kayo dyan. Thank you! Yan, hotpot guys. Yan, ang daming mga...
It's hotpot!
Yeah, this is the shrimp. Still alive. It's still moving. Oh, how many?
I don't know what we're gonna use to kill them.
No need to kill later, love. When it's cooked. And this is...
Like the head.
shredded beef. This is the
sausage and maybe shrimp.
no. This is the fake crab meat.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is the dumpling, and this is the fish. This is parang isaw-isaw.
Yes, I know what's this.
This is the intestine.
Yeah, intestine.
Yeah. And also this one.
Just like little things like this.
I don't know what is this called.
Yeah.
But that one is also the intestine, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this is the fish ball.
Yes.
With different...
Like this, my favorite.
What is that? The beef ball?
Yeah.
Yeah. And also
And
the corn.
corn.
Yeah. Okay.
And this is like this. Like.
I think that one is the shrimp. No. The octopus.
Oh my.
Oh! He's jumping! The shrimp is jumping. He's still alive.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh, it's moving.
Oh no.
Oh no! And then the water is boiling later, and then we need to put all the things. And this is the shredded... What is that?
Like shredding meat.
I don't know. Okay, later. Cook. And this is the squid. Squid.
Yeah.
It cut already.
Favorites.
Yeah, but it cut already. Just now, not yet.
We're gonna wash it and.
Yeah, this is the fresh vegetable.
Yes, I love
Is
these.
lettuce for hot pot.
Yes.
Tonight we have the hot pot.
And son is putting corn.
Yeah. And then we need to boil na the corn.
Need a little bit more water.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. It's yummy.
Yes.
Yummy hot pot.
Yeah. corn inside.
Corn. Boiling, boiling. Almost boiling the water. Is it no need to put the cover? Yeah, too much
Fishbowl.
fishbowl.
We did not. I want to.
Put that sausage slowly, kasi. Yeah, the corn and then the fish ball. Yeah, yummy, yummy. And then it's boiling, boiling the water. Yeah, Salo, you need to get up, get out.
Get out.
Get out! God, if the water. Oh, your turn. Your turn, put your hand. This one. Which one? You choose which one you like. Slowly. Okay. No, later the shrimp because easily to cook. Yeah.
Like that.
But that one is easily to cook. The yeah.
Sausage.
No, this one I think can.
Okay.
No, let go.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you like that?
Do you like? Okay.
How about sausage?
Yeah, the sausage. Yung sausage already, can't you put? Okay. Oh, Silo. The one you put and then you can eat, okay? Not too much. Not too much, please.
Just two.
Okay.
How about the shrimp?
Did you eat that one? That one is not the shrimp.
Oh, yeah.
That one is the squid. Sure? Okay.
Good game.
Okay. Done.
Be careful, ah.
Now, if you want to put the beef, and then you need to eat na.
It's bad.
There's no sauce yet inside.
Who cares?
Well, no, there's no taste. Yeah. Okay, it's done. No, that one is Sicily.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just put it right.
Oh, take the cover. Cover. I no need. Okay.
What's the cover?
No need to cover.
Sorry.
Yeah, let it boil. Let it boil. Wow, I love the corn.
Me too.
And the smell is good. The smell is good now.
I like seeing smoke so
Yeah.
so good.
During winter time.
Ta-da!
No.
What's the reaction?
Yeah, that one is not for the food.
It's beautiful though.
Yeah.
That's not a food. You want to eat that?
I think because you want to eat.
is so expensive.
Yes,
Right?
it's like
I don't know how much
200
Mama buy.
Like 200 or 100.
Not 100. Not. I think 100 plus. Yeah. And also this kind of fish.
Yeah, I like this baby kind of fish.
Yeah.
But my favorite is
And
salmon.
also this squid.
Yeah. And this.
Guys, boiling, boiling, boiling.
My competition.
Kasi ng ano, ng gabi. The water is boiling. Then you shoot the hobbit there. Slowly,
Look this.
The people is so busy when you hold the camera.
Wait, there's fish ball. And this.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please press the notification bell for my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.